Hey guys, so today I went to a Jamie Webster gig and it was incredible. Regret absolutely nothing. I got asked how to remove wristbands without snapping them. Now, I've been to see him already, so I have a method, and as you can see, it works. It's not ripped, it's not wrecked, there's a little bit of a tuft there, but it's still intact. And there was 3 sections to the gig. So, like this, just demonstrate with. So when you put them round, you'll see there's like, it creates like a little tab, yeah? Just grab that tab, pull up, and there you go. It's got a sticky bit on it. Fold it over as long as it's not wrecking the rest of it. Should be sound, it'll stop from sticking to stuff and things like that. I'll do the same with the rest. So here comes number 2. Try and make this a bit better. Grab the tab, back, grab it, and what I can do as well at this angle. So ideally try and have it like that. That was a little bit more tricky because it's stuck down. Jesus Christ. So I ripped this one though. That one did not go quite as slick because theirs is very sticky. Again, see, completely intact. Let's see if we can get a budgie on this one. Last one. Turn it around. Tab, grab it, pull carefully up. These are really sticky. Ideally along the bit where it hooks. There you go. That was not as slick as I was hoping it would be, but there you go. And that's how you get wristbands off without destroying them. Adios.